So now let's open the site again and let's wait for the pop-up. Yeah, and now let's enter the email ID, and ideally an email should be dropped in my email box. So let's check that. And yes, this is the email which we received with the help of our email automation, and you can see the time is 0 minute. Okay, so this is working fine. So we have successfully automated our email pop-up form. So hey guys, what's up, this is Himanshu. So guys, you might have seen many videos on YouTube like how to create a pop-up, how to create a WordPress subscriber pop-up. Okay, but I don't see any video where it talks about how you can actually utilize that pop-up to the fullest extent. Now, like how you can actually add email marketing or link email workflow to that pop-up. Okay, how to do email automation with that pop-up, how to do email marketing with that pop-up. Nobody explains that, but in this video I'm going to show you step by step from scratch how you can actually create a pop-up, integrate it to the WordPress website, and actually create a proper email automation workflow behind the scene and use that pop-up to do email marketing. Okay, and of course everything I'm going to talk here is completely free. The tool is free, the email automation is free, and everything is absolutely free, so don't worry about that, and let's get started. So guys, to create any newsletter pop-up or any pop-up per se, you need a email marketing software, because we are using WordPress, so we can't do coding there. Okay, we need some external pop-ups or plugins, or basically some software with which we can make a pop-up and we can do email marketing with the help of that. So in the market there are like n number of email marketing softwares like ConvertKit, Sendinblue, GetResponse, etc. Okay, but for this tutorial, or especially for my own use as well, I use Mailerlite. Now why? Because first of all, many of the advanced or the premium features are given in the free version as well. Okay, and second thing is that it is cheaper than the other email marketing tools. If I go to the pricing here and if I scroll down, you can see I get up to 1000 subscribers for free, and I can send 12,000 email every month. And if I pay only $10 per month, I can get unlimited email send option. Okay, and these prices are actually very less compared to other tools in the market. You can definitely compare with the other tools as well. Okay, but don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a beautiful email pop-up with the email automation with the free version of the Mailerlite. Okay, so for that I've given the link in the description. Just click on it and you will come to the homepage of the Mailerlite. So after that, go here to the sign up. Alright, so here you can see the organization name, and if you don't have any organization, just put your own name here, put your email address, put your password. And don't worry, when you see this free 14 days access, it's saying that you can only access their premium features till 14 days, but after that you can use their extra features or the free version features. Okay, and the pop-up which I'm showing you will be a free only, so it doesn't depends upon this 14 days free one. Okay, and also one more thing, if you want to create a account on Mailerlite, you need to have a professional email or business email. Now what does that mean? So basically professional emails meaning domain name with it, like contact@facebook.com or hello@hihimanshu.com. Okay, so these all are like professional emails, and it's very easy to create. If you have a hosting and domain, you can very easily create a professional email. And if you don't have a hosting and domain, I have a complete video on how you can actually go ahead and buy hosting and domain. I'll put the link in the I button and in the description below. Do check it out. So I've already created my account in Mailerlite, so I'll go to this login here, and yeah, this is the dashboard of the Mailerlite. And one more thing, actually I forgot to tell you. So once you sign up for Mailerlite, they will also ask you for your domain verification. Okay, so if I'll go here and go to this domain, you can see my domain is verified. Okay, so basically if you are creating an account on Mailerlite, they will ask for your domain, they will ask for your business email, and once they verify each and everything, they will take almost 24 to 48 hours to verify your account. Okay, so once your account is up and ready, go to this dashboard here, and now let's start creating our form. So creating a form is super easy and super simple. Just go to this forms here. So here you can see you will be having like 3 options. Okay, but in the free version you can use only 2 of them, like pop-ups and embedded forms, and you can't use this promotional in the free version. Okay, but we need only this pop-up here. So I'll go ahead and click on this create pop-up, and now give any name here. So I'll give demo for now and save and continue. So here it's asking to choose subscriber group. So the thing is that whenever you will create an account on the Mailerlite, they will ask you to give a group name. Okay, so I have given mine, and you can give yours, and just choose that and click on this save and continue. And now we have the templates here. Okay, so they have like many templates, not many actually, only 24, but I think this will do a job. Okay, so and everything here is free, so I'll choose this one. You can choose anyone which you like. Okay, and now here we can actually modify this pop-up. Okay, so first we'll come to this form type, and if I click on this one, you can see our form location is changing. Okay, see, we have even a footer type of form as well. So basically there are like 5 options, but I'll choose this one, the basic one, and this looks fine. Now we can actually change the color as well, so I'll change the background here. Okay, so for that I'll go to this form background. It's pretty easy actually, you can easily understand, and I will remove this background image first, and I'll change the background color. Let me give it, okay, and now it's looking fine. And now I'll change the text here, so I'll put here like newsletter. Okay, and now I'll add here like one more option. So if I want to add here some text, if I just hover over here, you can see my plus symbol is coming. I'll choose this one, and now it's asking that what I want to add. So I want to add a text, so I'll choose this text, and the text box came. I'll add here something like okay, so I've added this text here. Okay, and now let's change this button. So I hover this button here, or basically I'll just do a right click. No, I'll just hover over here, and I will click this edit pencil button here, and you can see we got this button. So in the button I want to change this text, so instead of this let's cruise, I'll write here join. Alright, and now let's change the color actually. So I want to change the hover color here. Okay, so as you can see we have this button setting here, just click on it. Okay, and now we can change the color. So in the hover color I want to make it like black. Okay, so this is black now, and now if I see, yeah, it's turning black, so it's looking fine now. So actually the customization is very simple here, so you can do it very easily yourself as well. And now let's say if you want something else, like you can say that okay, I want name also and email as well. So for adding name, just click on this pencil icon here, and we have this email field. So I want a name field as well, so for that just click on this add field, and your name field will come. And if you want to make it up, just drag it above, and the location will change. So it's that simple. Okay, but I don't want this actually, so I'll remove it. And now my form is ready, I'll just save it. Okay, and now you have like success button as well. Like once user have entered their email ID and clicked on this join, what next should come? So the success is the next option, and here I'll write something like, okay, so I've added the thank you message as well. Okay, and now let's click on this next, and now it's asking that when our form should be seen. Like it's saying that if somebody comes on our site, just after 5 seconds the form or the pop-up will come out. Or you can say that if anybody has scrolled 50% of our site, then the pop-up should come out, or other options as well. Okay, so I'll choose this 5-second one only. Then in the frequency, it's saying that when you want to show your pop-up again to the same user. Okay, so I'll show them after a month, that is fine. Schedule is none, that's fine. Visibility is always show. So all these default options are okay for now. Just click on this save and continue, and now your form is ready. And this is the code actually, but we don't need this code for now. I'll tell you how you can actually add this pop-up to your WordPress. So here you can see it's asking us to install one WordPress plugin, which is official Mailerlite sign up. So we'll go to the dashboard of our WordPress, go to this plugin and go to this add new, and let's type here Mailerlite, and install this first one, official Mailerlite sign up forms from Mailer group, and activate it. Now you can see that here we have one new option, which is Mailerlite. Just go here and go to this setting here. Okay, now it's asking to add our API key. So actually I've already added, but I'll show you how you can add it. Okay, so go to the Mailerlite account here, and now go to this one, grow on net here, I mean the user icon, and go to this integration here. Okay, and now scroll down and choose this WordPress option and click on this use, and here you can find your API key. Just copy this and go here and paste it and click here save this key. Okay, now after this just go back here. I'll go to the form again, because till now we have only linked our Mailerlite with the WordPress, but we haven't activated our form. So for that you can see our form is paused. Okay, just click on this active, and your form is activated. If I go here inside the form, yeah, I think everything is fine here. Okay, and we have activated our form here, and you can also this off this double opt-in. Okay, and double opt-in means that whenever somebody will subscribe to your form, it will ask for a confirmation in the email. Okay, so I don't think that is a good option, so just off it and you can activate your form here. And I think now your form is activated, so let's see. So I'll go to the new tab here, and I'll put my site name, and now if I scroll down, yeah, you can see pop-up is coming. Okay, and you can enter your email ID here and click on this join. But wait, we are still missing one more important thing, which is adding the automation sequence to this form, or the email automation to this form. So how to do that? Alright, so to add email automation in the form, you can see we have an automation option here. Okay, just click over here, and this is one of the best option in the Mailerlite, which sets it apart from the other email marketing tool, because other tools actually charge premium for this feature, but Mailerlite managed to give it for free. Okay, so just click on this create a workflow, and the workflow page opens. Okay, so what is a workflow? So workflow basically means that whenever somebody subscribe to your pop-up form, what actions should happen behind the scene. Okay, like you might have seen that if you subscribe to some form, you get always an email like on a daily basis for almost 10 days or a month maybe. Okay, how that is actually designed in a workflow. Then you might have seen that if you have a course for like 9 days, and if somebody subscribe to your form, you can actually send them that course automatically for 9 days. Okay, that can also be designed in a workflow. So basically, if you want to do advanced email marketing, workflow plays a very important role. Okay, so now let's see how to actually create a workflow. So click over this plus icon, and here you can see we have this 4 option. So first I'll choose like delay here. Okay, and delay I'll set it like I'll give here 1 at the right side, and I will choose here R. Okay, 1 hour. Alright, and now I'll click on this plus again, and now I will choose an email, and now I will actually create an email here. So on the right side you can see we have an option of a design email. Just click here. Okay, so it's asking to enter, so I'll give an email name, so it can be like anything, demo1 is fine, and email subject is like thank you for subscribing, and let's click on this design email. And now I will choose this rich text editor. So always try to keep a text only email. Okay, don't try to add like too much of HTML and stuffs like that. Alright, so now you can see we have this email form here. Okay, so let's start creating our email. So I'll write something. Okay, so I've written like this, and you can also add here, like if I'll enter here. Okay, and you can see we have this plus option here. Just choose it, and if you want to add like social links, you can add here. If you want to add like videos, you can add here that as well. And if you want to add like images, tables, anything, you can add here. Okay, but for now I'm leaving it to text only, and I'm removing the rest. And even if you want to make something like hyperlink, you can do that as well. See, here's the option. Okay, so after this I'll just click on this done editing here. Okay, so now a sequence has been made. So what does this workflow means? This workflow means that if somebody subscribe to my demo form, after a delay of an hour they will be sent this email. Okay, so now let's add something else. So I'll go here plus and I will choose like condition. Okay, so what does this mean? So I'll tell you, in condition I'll choose here on the right side, I'll choose like let's say workflow activity. Okay, and I will choose the email. So this is the email, actually demo. So our email name was a demo1 and select will be like was opened. Okay, so this is a condition. This condition means that if somebody has opened our demo1 email or not. So now we have a green and red. So this green means that yes, the people has opened your email. So now what to do? So now I will send them like one more email. Okay, so now you can send them some other message as well. And this red means basically that they haven't opened your email. So for that I'll choose some other action. So hope you might have understood the meaning of the workflow and how to create our workflow. Okay, but for now, just to show you, I'll only add one thing, that is one email only. So I'll remove everything right now, and I will remove this delay as well. Okay, so now this means that if somebody subscribe to my demo form, they will get this email automatically. Okay, and now let's turn on this workflow. So just go here and on it, and the workflow is activated. Now let's check it's working or not. So now let's open the site again, and let's wait for the pop-up. Yeah, and now let's enter the email ID and join. And ideally an email should be dropped in my email box. So let's check that. I will refresh it. Still not. And you can see the email went into the promotional tab. Okay, and this is the email which I got. Okay, and this is the email actually, and you can see here it's a 0 minute. Okay, and don't worry about the spacing, this is due to the alignment. We can fix that later, but actually our email automation worked. Okay, so this is what I was trying to show you. So finally guys, we were able to create a newsletter pop-up in the WordPress along with the email automation. Okay, and I know the email went into the promotional tab, but don't worry, once you start using the tool more often, it will start landing up to the primary section. Okay, and also guys, I'll put the link of the Mailerlite in the description below, so do check it out. And guys, if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and please press that bell notification so that you don't miss any video from my side. And guys, I'm also active on Instagram, so do check it out, the link would be coming here. Okay, and that's all. Thank you for watching guys, see you next time, take care.